See this guys, with the help of Google Trends, can I generate affiliate commission from these from Amazon? Okay, how people are actually earning good amount of money by just promoting their health products. You can see this guys. I just need to come up here and just inculcate these kind of things. Okay, and I am getting paid this much amount of commissions. How can people are earning all over the world? Throughout this video I'm going to show you how you yourself can earn good amount of money by just following some simple steps. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just promoting your affiliate links over your blogs. Okay, so guys, lots and lots of people are asking me a question that, sir, please tell us where to find a particular niche topic. Okay, so guys, Google Trends is one of the best platform which will help you to get keywords which are more important and which are unknown all over the world. You can set up and can earn affiliate commission from this platform. How can you do it? I just tell you. So this is a Google Trends platform, guys, where you can search a particular niche topic. So let us suppose, guys, I have type here technology. Okay, so I just type technology and you can see that, guys, the keywords that are related to technology. Okay, how rapidly the keywords are people are searching this type of keyword. You can see this, guys. Okay, people all over the world, what type of keywords they are looking for. You can see this, guys. 5G topic, in investment funds topic. You can see this. Genius technological stock. What is Genesis technology? You can see this, guys. There are hundreds and hundreds of queries that are still not known. Okay, but people are actually doing certain amount of, you can see this, guys, 1800% increase. So there is always a way to generate it. You can see this, guys, 72% people are searching this from New York, okay, Virginia, and people all over the world. You can see this, Texas, New Jersey. These are the searches that are done by people based upon that particular topic. Okay, so you can see and based upon a particular category, guys, you can also select it. Okay, related to health. Okay, related to health products, you can also set up these kind of things. You can see this, guys. Okay, District of Columbia. Most of the major searches are done from District of Columbia. You can see this, guys. Nanotechnology, reproduction topics, artificial intelligence, reproductive technology. So these are certain topics that you can search. Okay, you can set up a particular states, okay, where you can do the search and it will help you to generate more profit. Okay, so that, guys, you can able to make lot of income from these kind of things. Okay, you can just download these things. Okay, so that you can include these kind of topics into your blog post and you can generate affiliate commissions. Okay, so let us suppose, guys, we are in the Blogspot, guys. Okay, I have already told you what this Blogspot is all about. Okay, this Blogspot will help you to generate a traffic, okay, where you can write free of cost, guys. You do not have to spend a penny from your pocket, and you just come up here, guys, article factory. Okay, and what you can do, guys, is to set up a small particular niche topic. Okay, let us suppose, guys, we are more often to see this health topic, and you can see this, guys. You can search various kind of topics that you can promote. Okay, let us suppose, guys, a treatment for lactose intolerance. Okay, you can see that detailed introduction to research process of enzymes. So these are certain topics that you can inculcate and you can promote these kind of health products. So I have set up this is a particular topic that I need to promote. So what I can do is to just first, guys, what I need to do initially is to spin these articles. Okay, so that, guys, there is no plagiarism happen and Google will actually promote our products, these kind of resources. Okay, so I just need to copy it and just need to paste it, guys. Okay, so I just need to paste it. You can see this, and what I need to do is, I'm not a robot, you can set up, and you can see this, guys. I just click on this go button. Okay, so it will automatically do the everything for you. Okay, automatically do everything. Okay, so you just need to copy this. Okay, add it to your blog post. Okay, and what is the topic name is this treatment. Okay, so just post it here. Okay, so you can see this, guys, and what you can do, guys, is to just see these kind of topics. Okay, so let us suppose, guys, I just want to do a search related to health. Okay, so let us suppose I just want to do search in terms of health. Okay, health products. Okay, so it will automatically generate the keywords that are good for me. You can see this, guys. Okay, health and wellness products catalog. So what I can do, guys, is to just see these keywords. Okay, the potential keywords, and you can see this. It will show you that how many searches are done on Google based upon that particular topic. So it will give you insight, guys. It will give you insight that you should include these kind of keywords. Okay, you can just download it. Okay, you can see this, guys. I have already downloaded it. You can see. So you just need to download these particular keywords, and it will automatically, you can see this, guys. So in the CSV format, you can see this. It has done all of our keyword research. Okay, you can see this, guys. Okay, so these are the certain potential keywords that you can promote. Okay, so if I just guys, if I just download it, what you can on your article, okay, is to include it on your article. So I just show you, guys. You can see this. Okay, and in the backlinks, what you can do, guys, is to promote your affiliate links. Okay, so just type health products. Okay, I just need to type health products, and it will automatically generate. You can see this, guys. So there are certain health products that you can promote. So you just need to click on this get link. Okay, and you can do the promotions based upon these. You can see this, guys, text only, short link. If you have not watched my video, okay, I just do recommend you to watch it, so that, guys, you will always get a motivation. And you can see this, guys, apply. So it will do the automatically. These keywords will help you to generate a lot of incomes, affiliate commission, as well as it will rank your articles. Okay, so try to include these kind of keywords in the backlinks or in your paragraphs. This is just a demo that I have shown you. So this is one thing that you can do, guys. Okay, so try to make these kind of things. You just need to publish it, and you are good to go. Okay, so it will look like somewhat around. You can see this, how it looks like. So you can see this. Okay, and you can share it on Facebook, on various kind of Instagram, and various kind of accounts that you can create, and you can share it. Okay, so people will click on this link, and you can see this, guys. The people will redirect it to this these type of health products that you can do the promotion of. Okay, so this is very helpful tool, guys. Google Trends is a very helpful tool which will help you to generate a lot of income. Okay, and will give you more insight that how you became a good blogger and good affiliate marketer, because lots and lots of people are commenting that they want to learn what is blogging, how to earn affiliate commissions from Google. Okay, so it's the best website, guys. I just do recommend you to just go now and start making money from right now. Okay, so that there is always a motivation to give you the best content, guys. Okay, and you will generate lot of income from your sources. Okay, till then, happy earning.